Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix the authorization failed login issue on MetaTrader 5. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure that you've entered your login credentials correctly, and you want to double check your username, password, capitalization, and any special characters. Even a small typo can actually block your access. Next, you want to confirm you're connected to the right server for your broker and that your internet connection is stable. If it still doesn't work for you, go ahead and try updating the MetaTrader 5 app. Just go ahead and open your Play Store. Then you want to search for MetaTrader 5. And if you see an update button, just go ahead and tap it. Once updated, relaunch the app and try logging in again. Another fix is to clear the app cache and data. You can do this by going to your phone's settings. Go ahead and look for apps. And then from here, you want to search for MetaTrader 5 app. So let's just wait for this to load. Then scroll down, search for the app, this one. And then you want to choose storage. Then from here, you want to clear both cache and data. Now, remember, this will actually reset the app, so you'll need to log in again. Once you've done all that, open MT5, enter your credentials carefully, and your account should log in without any issues. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.